I ate raw garlic daily for a few days, and what was my experience? You can't imagine. I showed a positive impact on my body the first 3 days. Also during this time, I came to know about some methods that can maximize the benefits of garlic. So let's start. Garlic has such amazing properties that it makes even the simplest dishes delicious, and also can help in treating many common and serious diseases at home easily. Before sharing my own experience, let me tell you about some such benefits that researchers found, which you may have never heard about, and even if you have heard about it, but you will get something new, which is very important to know so that you can take advantage of it immediately. Look, everything, object and person, has some qualities which are present in very high quantity, and the rest of the qualities are less. Garlic is also like this. Garlic provides relief very quickly in some diseases and also slowly in others' diseases. So let me share which diseases get relief quickly by eating garlic, and which diseases are slowed down by eating garlic. And also share with you how much it should take, when it should take for how long. Number 9. Vein. Garlic is beneficial for all types of vein diseases. It has been observed that with the increase in age, many diseases also start occurring, and problems like nerve diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, vascular dementia are seen. Along with this, the risk of stroke also increases, especially ischemic stroke, which is a disease of the brain. It is caused due to accumulation of blood in the body. Garlic is very useful in all these diseases. It also helps in strengthening the nerves. 8. Urination. Those who have a urination problem, he should take garlic. It has been observed many times that when there is a urinary problem like frequent urination, urgent urination, hesitation, incomplete voiding, painful urination, nocturia, hematuria, cloudy or smelly urine, urinary incontinence, difficulty starting urination, and lower abdominal or pelvic pain. All these diseases got to see. And garlic is beneficial in all these, so you must take it. 7. Sperm health. Along with urinary problems, garlic also has a positive effect on sperm health. Yes, if your sperm is weak, it means you're weak, and if your sperm is thick, then you are healthy and strong. Garlic has antioxidant properties, especially allicin and selenium, which protect sperm from oxidative stress and support healthy sperm production. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory properties that improve sperm quality and potentially reduce the negative effects of inflammation on mobility. Garlic nature is hot and also stimulant, but despite this, garlic helps in enhancing sperm health by protecting the sperm from damage and improving motility. 6. Testosterone support. Garlic is a versatile natural ingredient that contributes to increasing healthy testosterone levels through a variety of mechanisms. When the aromatase enzyme activates in the body, the level of body testosterone starts decreasing. Furthermore, by eating garlic, it inhibits the enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen, which helps in maintaining high levels of testosterone. Additionally, the antioxidants present in it increase the production of testosterone. Daily consumption of garlic helps in controlling cortisol, which increases testosterone, due to which there is no problem in testosterone production. Garlic sends testosterone throughout the body by promoting blood flow. So you should take garlic. 5. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. Researcher has been found that garlic contains allicin, which has antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral and antiseptic properties. which helps in killing all the bacteria in the body. And sometimes worms in the stomach, that also help to kill. Apart from this, it helps in preventing infection in sore throat, athlete's foot and ringworm, or in small wounds and cuts. Besides, use of garlic oil also helps in protecting from ear infection. 4. Digestive health. Garlic helps in maintaining digestive health in many ways. It aids digestion by stimulating the production of gastric juices, including stomach acid, that plays an important role in breaking down food and facilitating the absorption of nutrients, due to foods being digested easily. And gradually digestion gets stronger. 3. Detoxification. Garlic's sulfur-containing compounds like allicin and diallyl sulfide, which increase the production of glutathione, which helps in complete removal of toxins. That is a powerful antioxidant. Apart from this, garlic activates the enzymes that expel toxins, which helps in eliminating various harmful substances from the body.